What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Uthando Nesithembu season 9 is back, it's here, but there is something surprising, and it is that Mangwabe is actually participating in season 9. She has not left despite those threats that she was giving to Musa Mseleko that I'm going to be leaving if you take wife number 5. But Musa Mseleko took wife number 5, and Mangwabe showed, that she was not happy about it. And, at the moment we felt that Mangwabe is just staying around just to finish season 8, and by the time season 9 comes, she would have long left. But she is here. She has not gone anywhere at all, because I thought she would have already left, so it's very, very kind of like surprising. But on the other hand, maybe she was just acting, just to create some drama, some tension. But Mangwabe is here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.